Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you English grammar, class 5th, lesson 8, tense, part 3, the future tense. So in this video we will talk about the future tense. Let's go through the video. What is future tense? A tense expressing an action that has not yet happened or a state that does not yet exist. It means the actions that we decide to do in future. Types of future tense: simple future, future continuous, future perfect continuous. So in this chapter we will discuss about only three types of future tense, that is simple future, future continuous and future perfect. Let's see. Simple future: the actions which will occur in the future, the actions decided at the moment of speech or for unplanned future actions. It means simple future is used when we plan or make a decision to do something. Nothing is said about the time in the future. This is the structure to make our sentence in simple future. First, positive sentence. To make positive sentence, first of all, we will write subject, then we will use will, then with will we will use verb first form and then object. See the example. I will take the exam. Subject I, then helping verb will, then verb first form take, then object the exam. And in simple future tense, we will use after subject will or shall both, but mostly we will use will only. Next is to make our sentence in negative. For this we will use structure like subject plus will plus not plus verb first form plus object. Example, I will not take the exam. And to make simple future tense in interrogative sentence, we use structure will plus subject plus verb first form plus object, then at last question mark. Example, will I take the exam? One more thing you should keep in your mind, that is, it doesn't matter that either our subject is singular or plural. With both we will use after subject will only. See some more examples. They will come tomorrow. To make this in negative, they will not come tomorrow. And to make in interrogative, will they come tomorrow? Same way, second, Rani will sing a song. Rani will not sing a song. Will Rani sing a song? Third, you will wash the dishes. You will not wash the dishes. Will you wash the dishes? Next is future continuous. To refers to actions that are happening now and expecting to continue in the future. It means future continuous tense is used to express actions at a particular moment in the future. See the structure of future continuous tense. To make positive sentence, first of all we will write subject, then will plus be plus past participle, that is verb ing form, plus object. Example, I will be taking the exam. And to make future continuous tense in negative, we will use structure subject plus will plus not plus be plus past participle that is verb ing form plus object. Example, I will not be taking the exam. And to make interrogative sentence, we use the structure will plus subject plus be plus past participle plus object, and at last interrogative, as we know very well that interrogative sentence ending with question mark. Example, will I be taking the exam? See some more examples. First, he will be writing a letter. To make negative, it will become he will not be writing a letter. To make interrogative, it will become will he be writing a letter. Second, Tia will be helping her friend. Tia will not be helping her friend. Will Tia be helping her friend? Third, she will be teaching well. She will not be teaching well. Will she be teaching well? Next is future perfect. To talk about an action that will finish before a certain time in the future. Future perfect tense expresses an action that will occur in the future before another action or time in the future. See the structure to make future perfect tense. For positive sentence, we will use a structure subject plus will plus have plus verb third form plus object. Example, I will have taken the exam. For negative sentence, subject plus will plus not plus have plus verb third form plus object. Example, I will not have taken the exam. Interrogative sentence, will plus subject plus have plus verb third form plus object plus question mark. Example, will I have taken the exam? Let's see some more examples. The plane will have taken off by 2 hours. The plane will not have taken off by 2 hours. Will the plane have taken off by 2 hours? Second, Jane will have gone on a holiday. Jane will not have gone on a holiday. Will Jane have gone on a holiday? Third, he will have done it by this evening. He will not have done it by this evening. Will he have done it by this evening? I hope students you might understood the explanation of future tense and their types of future tense and how to make any sentence in simple future, future continuous and future perfect. And it is very compulsory that you have to learn all the structure, then only you will be able to make any sentences or to form any sentences in simple future, future continuous and future perfect. So clear your doubts. For this, watch the video and listen it carefully. Thank you. Have a nice day.